In this video, I will show you how to connect a Samsung tablet to a projector. So in order to do that, you have multiple options. For me, I'm just going to mention two options. So the first option is by using an connector. So you'll have to connect with a USB-C to HDMI cable. The cable will look something like that, as you can see. So one end it has an HDMI in and one end has a USB-C. And of course, the USB-C will be for Samsung tablets and HDMI end will be for projector HDMI input. So then basically, once you have that, just go and plug everything together. So plug the adapter on your tablets, plug the HDMI cable on the adapter, and plug the other end of HDMI into the HDMI port of projector. Once you do so, go to your projector and select the HDMI inputs using the projector remotes or the buttons if you are using that. Press the source or input button, select the HDMI ports that you are connected to, and the tablet screen should appear automatically on your projector. So the other option is basically connecting wirelessly using SmartView. If your projector supports Miracast or wireless display, swipe down from the top of the tablet, tap on SmartView, and select your projector from there. And you can confirm the connection, and both devices should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network if required by the projector. And of course, you can know that using the user manual of your projector. So if it allows that, you'll be able to do it. Once you're done, of course, if the image is not clear somehow, just adjust the focus ring. As an example, correct the keystone, and move the projector into the image fills basically the screen, and do what you have to do to make it look better. So yeah, that's how you connect a Samsung tablet to a projector. I hope you liked this video and found this helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.